Hi students, it's Miss Dietz. It's on a Sunday after that torrential rain we had this morning, and I'm across the street from my house, and I just want you to notice that even though the rain has stopped, you can still see water running off, and it's coming from a higher elevation because water only flows downhill. And it's going towards a lower point. And you will see someone speeding down my street. Slow down. And you will see what I was talking about in class, that I have a small brook a couple doors down from me. And there are some sewer grates, and you can see that this runoff, right, happens to be going down into the sewer over here. And as you can see, we have some deposition, right, the drop off of earth materials. We have some leaves and there's a stick right there, branch. Nothing too exciting. Some litter, piece of cardboard. It was probably from someone's garbage can. Piece of bark. I think that's about it. Nothing else that's too major. Let's check over here on the other side of the street. We have the other sewer grate. For some reason, the water isn't flowing downhill as much anymore. And again, pretty much the same deposition. Nothing too exciting. At least it's not littered. But I want to show you the brook I was talking about. It's flowing quite nicely right now. It was pretty dry in my pictures that I showed you a few days ago. And I also want to take you around to see more erosion that took place, weathering and erosion that took place. I had showed you some pictures of tree roots exposed. Now today, after that rain this morning, you could see that there was even more weathering and erosion that had taken place, because those tree roots are very, very noticeable and large. People can actually trip over them now. I'm going to show you over here where I took the pictures of inside the brook, where we saw the river rocks. And now we certainly can't see them. Either they've been moved or they've been covered with the flowing water. You could see that this moving water is eroding and moving, which is erosion. I just saw a leaf go by. I don't know if you can see that. There's a leaf going by. Oh, little leaf floating by. That is erosion. Part of the whole weathering process. Moving from one place to a different place. There's another leaf going by. Bye-bye, leaf. And wherever it gets deposited, the drop-off is called deposition. So I hope you enjoyed this little lesson, a review, and have a good day. Bye-bye.